The articles in the Ducati clothing collection can be associated to different ways of using the bike. Bikers who love sport riding on the road require leather and fabric clothing ready to support every rider's movement, ensuring comfort, practicality and safety. The Sport C2 leather jacket is produced by Dainese in tutu cowhide. On the shoulders we can find protectors with aluminum inserts. They ensure a very high level of impact energy reduction and facilitate the sliding. The jacket also boasts elbow protectors and a zip fastening at the waist compatible with all Ducati pants. It can be equipped with double chest protector and G2, Wave and Menis back protectors. In order to make it more comfortable, wide panels in S1 fabric have been inserted in the armhole. The fixed inner liner is produced in Nanofil, an antibacterial and anti-odor fabric treated with silver ions, and in 3D Bubble, a heat-regulating fabric that creates an airlock between the exterior and the inside of the jacket. The Sport C2 is CE certified in accordance with the latest European legislation. This jacket is also available in black and in perforated version, for those bikers riding in warmer climates. The Sport C2 gloves offer a great balance of performance and riding comfort. Boasting CE certification, they are the product of collaboration between Speedy and Ducati. They feature carbon protectors on the knuckles, together with soft inserts in a shock-absorbing material on the back, knuckles, little finger, thumb and palm. These gloves are manufactured with high-quality leather that ensures maximum lifespan and resistance. The back of the hand and palm in calf skin, the inside of the fingers in sheep goat skin, the inserts and reinforcements on the palm in Clarino leather. The inside of the gloves is produced in sweat-dissipating polyester jersey to maximize comfort. The Sport C2 gloves are equipped with an anti-slip belt and elastic junctions on the index and middle finger to ensure great wearability and fit. The Sport 2 boots are CE certified and offer a high level of protection and comfort to sport riders. The upper is produced in microfiber and boasts two wide pleats for comfort and flexibility. The boot is fitted with polyurethane protectors on the tibia, heel and external malleolus, and an interchangeable front slider. They also have a zip fastening and velcro band, as well as an adjustment system to ensure optimum fit. The ultralight sole has differential grip zones to favor riding and a breathable liner in AirTech material.